Welcome to this PalmSens unboxing video. Today we're going to look at the Sensit BT, which is the second model in the Sensit series. So what will you find in your box? Well, once you receive it and you open it, you can find in it there a quick start that you can just, get going without having to watch, for example, YouTube tutorials. You will of course find in there your Sensit BT. We have here the version that has two connectors for screen printed electrodes. There's also a version that has a cable with 2mm banana plugs. So depending on your application, you just choose the model you like. With the version that has the sensor connectors, you also get some spare sensor connectors and a QR code that will guide you to a tutorial video. You also get a USB connection, for example, if you want to charge the battery or perform a measurement not wireless. You will get our software, PS Trace, and the manual on a USB stick. You will also get a hard copy as well. Then we have a dummy cell, so you can, despite having an SPE connection, easily try with a known circuit your first measurements. Today we're not going to use the dummy cell for our first measurement because, that's something you can do easily at home or in your office. Today we're going to do a small cyclic voltammetry measurement. So, first I'm going to connect screen print electrodes. I am going to use the Sense carbon electrodes that you can also find on our website. I'm going to insert into the channel 1. When you insert SPEs, just be careful that the contact pads are aligned with the contacts of the connector. Okay. Then I put some hexaceranophride solution on it. Well, I think almost all electrochemists know this as a standard test solution. So there we go. Make always sure all 3 electrodes are covered by your solution. And now we can switch the Sensit BT on, and you will see immediately that the power LED goes on, so you know it's powered. Then I'm going to use the tablet. I'm having here a Samsung tablet, by the way, and I'm just starting PS Touch, our app. You can download it for free on the Google Play Store if you want to. Then to start my measurement, I press the connect button. I look for the correct number, which is on the bottom of the device, and I just start connecting to it. You see the blue Bluetooth LED illuminating, showing that the device is connected via Bluetooth. Then I just go to the method window. I want to perform a cyclic voltammetry, so I just choose from the list of techniques cyclic voltammetry. I know that my current is in the range of some microampere, so I will just set the current ranges accordingly. And then I go to the settings for the cyclic voltammetry. I give it a bit of equilibration time, so the potentiostat finds the right current range. And for hexaceranophride, I can just start at something like minus 0.3 volts. I will go up to 0.5 volts, and then I will again have my second vertex potential as the starting potential. You saw, by the way, that the software was complaining as soon as it finds something that is not logic for the parameters, and so you can immediately see what needs to be changed for your measurement to work. Let's have a bit of a smaller step potential just to have more resolution, and we're good to go. Okay, so then I just press start or run to perform the measurement. It switches automatically to the plot view because, well, You most likely want to see what's happening during a measurement. At the bottom you see a progress bar for the estimated time, and on the right you see a legend, and when a new curve is added the legend will shortly appear, so you can just see which curve is which one. And now we're running the second scan. As expected, we see two peaks that have, the peak potentials have an average of around 200 millivolts. That was to be expected for that solution. Well, we already have now finished a measurement just a minute after unboxing, and now we can, for example, share the data with a share function, or just save it locally and use it for something else. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, so thanks for watching, and if you don't want to miss any of our other videos, just feel free to subscribe to our channel.